Introducing the PowerPack Universal Pro, the latest evolution in our lineup of portable power solutions and our most advanced travel power bank yet, now with enough power to charge all your devices, even including laptops. Enjoy the ability to travel, work, play, create, and adventure wherever you go. The PowerPack Universal Pro is currently available in our sleek jet black color. Today I'll be taking you through a quick unboxing and tutorial to explore what this new charger has to offer. Upon unboxing, the first thing you'll notice is our bespoke travel pouch, exclusively tailored for the PowerPack Universal Pro. Constructed from superior water-resistant material and fastened with AquaGuard zippers, this pouch is custom designed to safeguard your power bank and its accessories, ensuring they're protected on all your journeys. Now for the PowerPack Universal Pro itself. The Pro model features a uniquely rugged yet elegant design. With superior build quality, we've packed so much power into a compact frame that can truly be felt as soon as you hold it in your hands. This is the most powerful portable charger we've ever released, with a massive 15,000 mAh battery capacity and 65 watt output that's more than capable of charging laptops. Let's take a closer look. A significant upgrade in the PowerPack Universal Pro is the upgraded 65 watt output, provided from both the built-in USB-C cable and the USB-C out port. This is a significant step forward and incorporates the latest GaN charging technology to make it all possible. This higher output is even available when the device is not plugged into the power point, meaning it's capable of charging almost all laptops completely portably, without bringing any extra cables or attachments. Additionally, the built-in USB-C cable is also capable of charging all USB-C smartphones or tablets, such as an iPad Pro, at maximum speeds, ensuring a faster charge than ever. Located on the other side, you'll see an 18 watt USB-A output and a 65 watt USB-C output capable of charging any other smart devices. We've also included a 100 watt 2-in-1 USB-C and Lightning cable, made to use with the PowerPack Universal Pro and equipped with enough power to support devices including laptops and iPads. Next, let's take a look at the wireless charging area located on the front of the device. The PowerPack Universal Pro has a 15 watt MagSafe compatible charging area. Simply place your MagSafe compatible device on it to start charging immediately, completely cable free. If your device is not MagSafe compatible, you'll need to purchase one of our SnapMag cases, which will make your smartphone compatible with all MagSafe chargers. The PowerPack Universal Pro also comes with interchangeable international travel adapters. You'll find AU, EU, UK, and a built-in US plug, allowing you to charge your devices in over 150 different countries around the globe. Switching adapters is easy. Flick the US adapter in and slide on another one. To remove an interchangeable adapter, press and hold the button on top of the adapter before detaching it. This button also secures your adapter when connected. The PowerPack Universal Pro boasts a massive 15,000 mAh battery, capable of charging all your devices on the go, including laptops, and can recharge your smartphone up to 3 times. Recharging your PowerPack Universal Pro is effortless. Simply plug it into the wall outlet to recharge. When recharging, the LED indicators on the side will begin to pulse, each representing 25% charge. It also supports pass-through charging, meaning you can recharge your PowerPack Universal Pro and still charge your other devices all at the same time. The PowerPack Universal Pro truly is the ultimate travel companion for power users and busy professionals that require power to their devices no matter where in the world. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer care team on the website. We'll see you on the next one.